Welcome back to the pit. Today we're going to smoke up some chicken leg quarters. We've got about 10 pounds here of chicken leg quarters, and we've marinated them. We trimmed a little fat off yesterday and marinated them for 24 hours or close to it in the refrigerator. We used some Cluck It Up seasoning, apple cider vinegar, and some Worcestershire, custom Worcestershire sauce, and we've marinated them. So now we're getting ready to put them on the smoker. We've got our firebox heated up, preheated, and we're going to be running about 250 to 275 on these chicken leg quarters. It's going to be real easy. It's kind of a low, slow smoke. They're going to come out real good. We've already cleaned our smoker off, cleaned our grill. We're just going to put them on and let the smoke do its job. We'll probably do these for 3 to 4 hours. We'll shut her down and come back and check on them just a little bit. Well, we're another hour into this little smoked chicken leg quarters. What we're gonna do now is, you can see they're already looking real good. We're just gonna flip them over. Let them cook on this side for a little while. Have another 30 minutes on this top side of them. Move them around a little bit. And continue getting some of that even cooking going on. These are real easy. Just a lot of sitting back waiting. Looking good already. We're gonna make up some sides to go with it here shortly too. We're going to be sauteing up some vegetables we've cut up here to go along with our smoked leg quarters. We've got some mushrooms, some onions, some potato chunks, some sweet peppers we sliced up already. It's gonna go real good. This chicken leg quarters. This firebox is not overly hot. Right now it'll work just fine. And we'll put them inside here. So now we're another 30 minutes or so into these leg quarters. We're gonna barbecue them up a little better. We're gonna add a little more flavor to them. Now we could take them right off the grill here and they'd be about good for eating, but we're gonna add one more layer of flavor on here. Got nothing better to do but wait on these vegetables to cook up to go along with this anyways. So we might as well add another layer of flavor here. A little bit on that back side. Get them flipped over here. While we're doing that, set these outside. Through the miracle of time, I say these vittles is done. You can hear them sizzling. Look at that. Got the fire stoked up a little bit for some little bit crispier skin on them. Take a look at them veggies there. Onions, potatoes, some sweet peppers, mushrooms, all sauteed up. Goodness right there, just goodness. All right, let's get these off there before we burn the place down. say that's all of them, wouldn't you? Looks good to me, right there. Here we are, another 3.5 hours after we started this meal, and that's what she looks like. I'm going to plate some up right here in front of you. Y'all have to forgive me. I do apologize, but I got to try some of this. It's good. A little bit of this pitmaster privilege here. Ah, it's like butter. Look at that. Just falling off the bone. No pink. Skin just right. Want an easy recipe? That's about as easy as leg quarters get. That's about as easy as it gets right there. 3.5, 4 hours, low and slow. And you got a good meal, good cheap meal. All right.